Alright guys, good morning. Welcome back to another video. It was this guy's birthday yesterday. We had a good night. Laurence, what are you saying?
Not much.
Give us a word of wisdom.
Don't go partying 3 hours before your transfer to another city.
That's good advice. We've got to get a bus to the ferry. I never normally vlog in this kind of hungover state, but it was Laurence's birthday, and we are really changing the way we travel with this video. Bags literally rammed around my ankles. Got enough room there, Laurence?
No.
The Superdome 7. That's not our boat, I don't think. Hey Flynn.
Hello.
Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I'm really good. How are you, George?
Very good. Are you excited to go to Ho Chi Minh?
So-so.
So?
Yeah.
Do you want to film me with a bit more confidence that it's going to be fun?
The robbery.
I didn't tell these guys about the robbery. What happened?
Well, I was walking across the street and some idiot guy came and pulled my bag off my back. So he stole my money, my cards, my phone. So bad memories, bad memories.
So as a traveller, I bet you bought like a really shit, cheap phone and...
Actually, I bought iPhone 8.
Oh!
Yes.
Sorry! Yeah, so Philippa and Lydia had a bit of a tough time in Ho Chi Minh. However, we're not going to let it dampen the mood. We're all good now. I'm not good, guys. I'm really not. I feel so tired. It was a very bad idea staying out till 5 AM last night and waking up at 7 for this coach. But you live and you learn from these things. Thank you very much. Whew. Somehow I've managed to pull the long straw and get some extra leg room. And also piss off everybody who's trying to walk onto the boat. And our bags are just here.
A boat trip is the last thing I want right now. Literally.
I'm not gonna lie, you've looked better.
Thanks mate, so have you.
Okay, the shaking is not my fault. I'm usually pretty good at holding my camera. It's quite bumpy. This is my bed. Flid is back there. Philippa's back up here. Have you uploaded a YouTube video yet?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
You actually have?
Yeah.
I said that in like sarcastic jest, but you actually have?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, she's a YouTuber now. Laurence is here. What do you think of this bus, mate?
Pretty cotch.
Cotch?
Yeah, not too bad.
Okay, check this out. So I've got ample leg room. Oh, my shorts are falling down. Okay, that's not bad, you know. Although I look a bit deformed.
Yeah, you do.
Then... Well, we have been in this bus now for about 5 hours. We've got about 4.5 to go, maybe 5, probably 5. It's going pretty well, you know. Quite chilled, listening to a bit of music, looking out the window, taking in the Vietnamese scenes. It's a nice drive, it's a beautiful day out there. Shame we can't be in the sun, but it is what it is. Look, I bought some pineapple, but I didn't really think about how I'm going to cut it up, so it's kind of like just drying out at the moment. It smells nice. I don't really have much else to say really at this point. Okay, if England win the World Cup, I will give everyone who likes this video £1. £1 British pound. So like the video. And then follow me on Twitter at Mr. George Benson. Send me a screenshot that you've liked this video. And I will send you £1 coin with the letter.
By post?
By post. If we win the World Cup. Like this? Yeah? No? Right then, after how many hours was that?
9.
9 hours?
Yes.
Alright, 9 hours later, we have made it to, hang on, let me turn down my man's radio. 9 hours later, we have made it to Ho Chi Minh. I'm a bit tired. I only slept about an hour, maybe a bit more than an hour. Feeling a little bit knackered, but I've got editing to do because I've been slacking, and I apologise for that. By the time you watch this video, you'd have seen a few by now. But our driver is here. Hello, mate. Sweet and sour soup with pineapple, a bit of lemongrass, tomato. I put loads of pepper in it because I love pepper, chilies. This is bang. What have you got, Flid?
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we tried forgetting, I remember. But we say we all fine, we all fine.